Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic within the realm of the occult: talismans. Talismans have been used throughout history for protection, luck, and harnessing mystical powers. In this video, we'll explore the history of talismans, their significance in the occult, how they're made, and the philosophy behind their use. Join us on this 30-minute journey as we unveil the secrets of talismans in the occult. Before we delve into talismans, it's essential to understand the context of the occult. The term occult comes from the Latin word occultus, meaning hidden or secret. The occult encompasses various practices, beliefs, and traditions that seek to understand and harness the hidden forces of the universe. This includes mysticism, magic, alchemy, astrology, and more. The occult often focuses on personal transformation, spiritual enlightenment, and the manipulation of unseen energies. Talismans have a rich history that spans across many cultures and civilizations. Let's explore their historical significance. Ancient Egypt. Egyptians used amulets and talismans to protect themselves from harm and to bring good fortune. The ankh, scarab, and eye of Horus were common symbols. Greece and Rome. In ancient Greece and Rome, talismans were used to invoke the protection of gods and goddesses. The Hermetic tradition, which emerged in Hellenistic Egypt, played a significant role in shaping Western occultism and the use of talismans. Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, talismans were often inscribed with magical symbols, astrological signs, and holy texts. They were believed to protect against evil spirits, illness, and misfortune. Renaissance. The Renaissance saw a revival of interest in the occult and the use of talismans. Alchemists and magicians like Cornelius Agrippa and Paracelsus wrote extensively about the creation and use of talismans for various purposes. Modern era. Today, talismans continue to be used in various occult traditions, including Wicca, Hermeticism, and ceremonial magic. They are often personalized to reflect the individual's intentions and spiritual path. The philosophy behind talismans. The use of talismans is grounded in several key philosophical beliefs within the occult. Sympathetic magic. This is the idea that objects can influence each other through a mystical connection. Talismans are believed to attract or repel specific energies based on their symbols, materials, and inscriptions. Correspondence. Occult philosophy often involves the concept of correspondence, where symbols, planets, elements, and other aspects of the universe are interconnected. Talismans are created using these correspondences to align with the desired outcome. Intent and will. The power of a talisman is believed to be activated by the intent and will of the person who creates or uses it. Focused intention and belief are crucial components in charging a talisman with magical energy. Sacred geometry and numerology. Many talismans incorporate sacred geometry and numerology. These disciplines are believed to reveal the underlying patterns of the universe and enhance the talisman's power. Estimate of how talismans are made. Creating a talisman involves several steps, each infused with intention and symbolic meaning. Choosing the purpose. The first step is to decide the purpose of the talisman. This could be protection, attracting love, prosperity, health, or spiritual growth. Selecting materials. Different materials have different correspondences. Metals like gold, silver, and copper. Stones like quartz, amethyst, and obsidian. And herbs like sage, rosemary, and frankincense are commonly used. Design and symbols. The design of the talisman is crucial. It can include astrological signs, alchemical symbols, runes, or other magical sigils. These symbols are chosen based on their correspondence with the talisman's purpose. Ritual of creation. The creation of a talisman is often accompanied by a ritual. This can involve cleansing the materials, casting a circle, invoking deities or spirits, and charging the talisman with intent. The ritual may include chanting, meditation, and the use of candles, incense, and other ritual tools. Charging the talisman. Charging involves imbuing the talisman with magical energy. This can be done through visualization, directing personal energy into the talisman, or placing it under the light of the moon or sun, depending on its purpose. Consecration and activation. Finally, the talisman is consecrated and activated through a final blessing or incantation. This step solidifies the talisman's power and makes it ready for use. Once a talisman is created, it can be used in various ways. Wearing or carrying. Many people wear talismans as jewelry or carry them in a pouch to keep their influence close. Placing in specific locations. Talismans can be placed in homes, workplaces, or other areas where their influence is desired. Incorporating in rituals. Talismans can be used in magical rituals to enhance their power and focus the practitioner's intent. Meditation and visualization. Meditating with a talisman or using it as a focal point for visualization can help deepen the connection with its energy and purpose. In conclusion, talismans are powerful tools within the realm of the occult, embodying centuries of mystical tradition and esoteric knowledge. Whether for protection, luck, or spiritual growth, talismans offer a tangible way to connect with the unseen forces of the universe. By understanding their history, philosophy, and methods of creation, we can appreciate the profound role talismans play in the practice of the occult. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of talismans. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the occult and other esoteric subjects. #occult, #talismans, #occultism, #mysticism, #esotericism, #magic, #spirituality, #hidden knowledge, #sacred geometry, #numerology, #what is the occult, #occult practices, #protection talismans, #magical tools, #occult philosophy.